This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julie Liebler. You will immediately fall in love with this luxury condo in the sought-after Ocean Park neighborhood. A very short distance to the bay, nature trails, rock environmental center, playground, neighborhood boat ramp, and the best local restaurants. Fantastic schools. Truly one of the best neighborhoods offshore dining room. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms and a 1-car garage. Gourmet kitchen with stainless steel range, dishwasher, microwave and center island. Large family room with gas fireplace. Peekaboo views of the bay from the kitchen and 3rd floor primary suite. Brand new carpet and freshly painted. 2-zone heating and cooling, small fenced-in backyard and loads of storage. Move-in ready and the best location. September 27, 2024. For more information, review the details below.